We're looking at how to write the Japanese word for swimming in this video tutorial, and that is sui-e. It's made up of two characters. The first one meaning water, that's sui, and the second one meaning to swim or swimming, and that's pronounced a. Let's have a look at the first character, the character for water. You should be familiar with this one. It consists of 4 strokes, 1 stroke down the middle. That indicates the water which is running down the middle of the river. The second stroke is the left-hand bank, which has been squashed in to emphasize the water down the middle. The third and the fourth strokes are written together. There's the third and there's the fourth, and that indicates the right-hand bank, again, which has been squashed in to highlight the water flowing down the middle. So the left-hand side of the 2-character word meaning swimming is simply water. The kanji on the right-hand side is an interesting one because it's got quite a lot of water in it. Firstly, the first 3 strokes, the left-hand part of this character, that's actually the abbreviated version of the first character meaning water. So any character in which you see these 3 dots on the left-hand side has something to do with water. Now this character goes on, the right-hand side includes water, but it has an extra stroke on top, and it means eternity or a long, long time. And I want to show you now what this character looked like as a pictograph from a couple of thousand of years ago. And you can kind of see that it's made up of channels going into the main stream of water, and that indicates a long, long time. There it is, you can see there's the river and there are channels going into it, and that's indicating a long time, thus eternity. Now when we put the abbreviated form of water on the left-hand side of this character and add to it the right-hand side, which as you've seen means endless or a long time or infinity, and that has a stroke on the top. Underneath it's almost the same as water except for that slight addition on the top. So we've got down the middle, then we do our left-hand element all in one. The right hand is actually 2 separate strokes. Then we've got water and eternity, meaning swimming for a long time in the water, i.e. swimming. So we add an additional water character at the beginning and we get swimming in water, which is pronounced sui-e, swimming, sui-e. Now you can use sui-e as a noun, as in a typical sentence could be sui-e ga suki desu, I like swimming. You can also make it into a verb by adding shimasu on the end. Now this is a combination verb, so you don't need to put particle o in the middle. You can simply say sui-e shimasu, meaning I swim or I go swimming. That's how you write the word for swimming, sui-e in kanji. 頑張って!